What's going on? We have an awesome project that we just rolled out of the shop just a few minutes ago. It is a 2015 GMC Denali HD 2500 8-lug. This truck is huge, long bed, crew cab, and of course we lifted it real big with a Cognito 7-inch kit. Now that 7-inch kit made room for 38 1350 R22 Nitto Ridge Grapplers. The thing is looking killer. These wheels are pretty special. These are the Fuel Assault. And these things look pretty unique because these are actually a 2-piece construction wheel, meaning the face bolts into the barrel separately, and you can probably just barely see these bolts bolting in. This thing is a -13 offset. As you can see with these 38s, they stick out maybe, I don't know, 1.5 inches or so. We did have to do some trimming here to make it all happen. As you can see, we just kind of scalloped that bumper there just a little bit. Anytime we cut the chrome here, we always touch up this edge with some clear coat. And we also made some room in here, cutting this back, just to make sure we have no rubbing. This truck went extremely well. I really like these 2500 8-lug trucks with the Cognito 7-inch kit. They handle extremely well. The control arm angles are nice and flat, meaning these things handle like a dream. Let us know what you think about this killer truck in our comment section. Be sure to follow us on YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook for all of our awesome content. Thanks a bunch for watching. See you later.